My name is Courtney, I'm 16 and we was at a photography facility. We're just learning how to take different angles and just do different photos. At one point I just like looking at the work other people did. So I saw a few people made like different sculptures and there was some portraits that was there as well.
Have you ever had a chance to do photography in the past? Have you ever been in like the gallery and then...
I haven't been in a gallery, but I've been taking photos to my brother goes football. So I'm on like the side just taking photos of recording for the team.
Every photograph that you took was on a camera that had film in it, and then you had to take it to a dark room, you had to put it in chemicals, and then you had to take it out the chemicals, and then you could have your picture.
If you've never used a camera, I mean it's pretty easy to be honest. Like, you don't really need to stress over the different settings on the camera. Because I've used similar camera before, so it wasn't difficult, but I felt like it felt easier than what I've done before. If I came back, to be honest, I would probably like to do the same thing because I like what we did today.